Okay, I finished my repeat rounds and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. I lock my work here and cut the yarn. And this hat measures 8 inches long from the crown to the brim, and it has the circumference of 19 to 21 inches. So this is perfect size for teens to adult size. And yeah, if you want your hat longer, I suggest that make the body of your hat until 7.5 inches long and then continue for the brim. Mine is 8 inches long only. That's why I stop at 7 inches. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you like it. And if you have questions, just comment down at the comment section and I will try to respond as soon as I can. If I have enough yarn to match this hat, or maybe I'm gonna use a different yarn to make the matching scarf of this, okay? So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for crocheting along with me, and please like and share my videos. And also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so it will notify you whenever I have a new video. And also that's it for now, guys, and thank you so much, and see you on the next video tutorial. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye.